Hey everybody, in this video I want to show you how you can use your MyViewboard software to record a lesson. So this is a really awesome feature of MyViewboard. A lot of tools out there on the web and require you to install something different or to run something in the background, and MyViewboard has a feature that can record your whole lesson, record your whole screen, and then you can save that file, upload it to YouTube, email it out to your students, whatever you need to do. So it's a really cool feature and I want to tell you about it right now. I have already created a nouns lesson, just maybe an introduction to nouns, and the cool thing about MyViewboard is you can create a lesson from anywhere and then save it into your Google Drive. So I went to my Google Drive, I went to this magic box tool over here, and I imported that lesson that I created on a computer at home, and now I just opened up the file right here, and here's all the same things. So for what I'm going to do, I want to show you just a few of the icons over here. This one right here will switch between Windows and your desktop. So as long as you click this, I can click right there. It takes me to the web. And if I click the cloud again, it takes me back to the MyViewboard interface, which is what you see right here. I'm not going to get into all the other ones, but the next one I want to talk about is this one right here. It's capturing your screen. So you can capture just a part of the screen and take a screenshot of it like you would do on your iPhone or your smartphone, but you could also record your whole lesson. So that's what I want to do because I feel like that's important in distance learning for you guys to know how to do. So I'm going to click that. And this one right here with the video camera, that's going to record your whole lesson. If you did this one, it would just record the audio, but we want our screen to be recorded as well. I'm going to click that, and it will open up in just a minute a little recording station. Let's see, it's going to take a little minute, but here it is down here, and you'll see I'm talking and it's picking up my voice. So you see this green little range scale right here. It's showing you that I'm talking and that it's picking up my voice, so you know that it's working. If I click this, it's just going to capture a quick picture of the screen. You can do just a portion of your screen, but I want to record just my whole computer screen. If I do right here, that's live streaming video. If you click that, it'll give you options to live stream your lesson. You could have a YouTube channel and stream your lessons live to YouTube, or you can click right here and you can record the video. So that's the one I'm going to do and show you how we're going to do it. So I'm going to click that. I'm just going to click this current screen resolution. You could do HD if you wanted to. That takes up a little bit more memory, and if it's streaming to someone at home or recording, it'll be okay. You can do either one. I'm going to go with the current screen resolution and click the check mark. It counts down for you, and now my lesson is being recorded. So I could talk about nouns, I could play this video, and I'll do another video that shows you how to actually create these lessons and import this YouTube video. But I could click play, and I could tell my students, okay, now we're going to watch this video. And here, I'll try to see if it'll play for you. So the video would play, we would talk about it, all about nouns, talk about it, go over those skills, and then I might say, okay, now we want to go over nouns together. So we're going to complete this worksheet just like we would if it was underneath the document camera in the classroom or up on your interactive panel. So over here I have pin features, and I might use it and say, call on my students that are in my Zoom call, or call on students that are logged in live. But if not, I could just talk about it. The kids went to the mountains, and I want to read the sentences below and circle the noun. And I know that kids is one of the nouns, so I'm going to circle that. They stayed at a big cabin. Cabin, that's a place. So that's a noun. I'm going to circle that. The cabin had lots of games. So in this sentence, we know that cabin is a noun because it's a place, and games, that's a thing. So we could do that. So I could do that whole worksheet with my students. And then I might want to show them the activity that they're going to complete on their own for a daily grade or a minor grade, or just for us to see what they know. So I could toggle back over here to this Windows, and that's going to take me to my desktop. And right here I've pulled up my Schoology. I have White Reading 2020, and I might tell my students, now you're going to complete your nouns worksheet, and you're going to complete that assignment, turn it in. Let's go over it really quickly. We'll review the directions so that you can do it on your own. So I'll pull up the worksheet and I'll tell them, in this, you're going to look at each line, and any word that's a noun, you're going to circle that. So when you're done, you're going to complete it and submit it on Schoology. So you can kind of review the directions with them. You know what it is. And then I can click back over here to this red cloud. That's your MyViewboard icon. And it's going to take us back to that lesson. And I say, thank you for watching. I can't wait to see how good you're going to do on your Schoology lesson. I'm going to put this video on YouTube and you can watch it whenever you get a chance. Or you might be watching live. So the whole part of this is that they are seeing your recording, but they're also seeing everything that you're doing on the screen. So now that my lesson's over, I'm going to come right down here and you'll see this is flashing. I can pause my video if you needed to do that. But I could also click stop, and I'm ready to stop. So I'm going to stop my video. It's going to actually generate a little preview for you to watch it. And I will play it. It's playing now. And you see I'm walking you guys through all the steps right here. And you'll actually see me circling the nouns in the worksheet. You'll see me going into Windows to pull up my Schoology page. All of those things there. So now I'm ready to save it. So I can save it to my drive if I want to do that, and save it to a drive file. So I'll do that, and your MyViewboard account is linked with your Google Drive. So I'll save it. I'll save it under MyViewboard, and I can change the name down here. So I might say this is a video on recording MyViewboard lessons. And then I'm going to click this green or this check mark right here, and it will save it to my drive. And you're ready to go. So now you would just go and send that video out to your students that were not there live, put it on your class page, put it on your YouTube channel, and now your students could go back and they could watch your lesson on that day. So I hope this has been helpful. And if you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. I'll be more than happy to help.